Hello everyone, this is Lolly. I'm at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo in Denver. I just got in and just got my table. It's going to be hard doing this with one hand. I just want to show you what's going on. So that I'm at the Thursday night mega make and take. And so you got tickets here for the classes you signed up for. There's a little, I'm doing the all weekend cropper, and so there's tags to put in the back of your chair. All your tickets can fit in here. It's a lovely thing. One thing I was wondering about why there's no like name on here. I think that would have been good. Now I know, and I could probably just put my business card in there. One thing about Expo is the more things you do, the more you get these little pins to put on your tag. Like I learned, that's because I signed up for a class. I returned because I came back. I crop because I signed up for the cropping. If you shop and spend a certain amount, you can also submit those tickets and get another one saying I shopped. This was actually something that was going on in February, sponsored by them, and I picked that up and saved it for my lanyard. When you come in, they give you a free shopping bag. It's always different. And in the shopping bag, there's usually some flyers or so. As you can see, I'm pulling things out here, crafting, and this was in there, free paper pad, and the Expo guide, which I'm grabbing right now, show guide. It gives you the layout of the land, the classes, where everything is, and the layout of all of the vendors so you know where to find them. I'm going to move this over. And then at the Mega Make and Take, you get another bag. And I went over to the Queen & Company booth because if you shop here at the Crop, you actually get better prices. I got these diamond toppings, and I got these, which are too cute. I hope I can focus in on these. These are all like Mickey Mouse sprinkles. Are they cute or what? Look at those little Mickey trousers. Oh my gosh. And so if you don't get them tonight, then the price goes up. Okay, and in the bag there was also this freebie, which is a storage bag. It's right there. You can see it's like a photo bag. It looks like Buddy Bag. It's called, holds photos. And there was another freebie in here from Glue Dots. And so there's adhesives there, free. And then in here are all of, and there's also some free photo paper from Canon, which they have. Let me see if I can show you back there. We have places back here where you can try out Brother and Sewing Machine, and also where they have Canon photo printers, and so you can go print photos. Now in here are all of the make and take projects. There's 2, 3, 4. You know what that is? Mickey Mouse. 5, 6, 7, 8, it's jewelry. 9, I'm particularly looking forward to this because it's diamond dots. And I lost track. And then this is I think the last one here. Nope, there's one more thing in here, and that's this one, which I think is a layout. And then you've got the complete photo guide here on how to make them all. So I will be showing you, when it's all said and done, all the projects that I made. So there's a kind of a brief look at what's going on, and I don't know what else is in this bag. Questionnaire or something. Yeah, how well you like the project. So besides that, I brought my tote that I got from Hobby Lobby. I love this thing. It holds all my tools. And I brought you probably remember this from one of my thrift store hauls. I got this, which is Creative Memories, but it holds 12-inch papers. And I have this rolling tote that I got from Tuesday Morning, kind of in the market for a better rolling tote, but that's what I brought with me. I will be updating. There is no Wi-Fi to be able to upload videos here, but I will, when I get back to the hotel, I will upload. Look forward to sharing all of this with you. This is my first time to stay here for the entire expo. Last year I came only Tuesday, shopped a little, took one class, and really didn't get the whole experience. So now I will get the whole experience. Thank you for watching.